Pinky's family coloring session.
Look what color it is. Look what color it is.
Red. Red car. Yes.
Yes.
A red car is so cute, isn't it?
Look what color it is.
Green. Green dinosaur. Grrr. Too scary. Look, black.
Oh, a green dinosaur is so cute, isn't it?
Blue sky. Yes, the sky. The blue sky.
Oh, the blue looks so peaceful.
George, what's your favorite color? Blue. Red is my favorite color. Wow.
Look what color it is.
Hooray! Orange. Orange carrot.
Mine is orange. Look what color it is.
Maybe the rainbow has left some treasure behind.
You cheeky rainbow.
Yes.
This is the best rainbow treasure ever.
The rainbow has so many beautiful colors. What color do the children like? This is a cartoon that teaches children how to live. Please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to see new and good videos.
Mom's special gift.
Hey! Come play with me. No! No! No!
Here is a gift for you.
The box is so beautiful.
This is a little gift for you.
I think so. Here. I can't stop laughing.
Oh my God.
Hey, what happened? She looks very lovely.
The Pinky brothers have a very rich imagination. Everyone, please love animals like the Pinky